DVT IDE AI Assistant enables seamless interaction with large language models. Blueprints are pre-configured, context-aware tasks that are used to automate specific coding-related activities within your project. A blueprint contains at least a request to the LLM and can be used to start either a chat or an editor session. The AI Assistant provides a library of predefined blueprints. Simply open the command palette and type DVT AI Blueprint to see all the available ones. Select a piece of code and run the command DVT AI Blueprint explain the selected code in chat. Notice the underlying request and the LLM's response in the chat view. Blueprint requests can contain natural language as well as other DVT-specific constructs, such as snippets and symbols. Feel free to continue the chat conversation, picking one of the suggested follow-up questions. Next, select a piece of code and use the Analyze and Fix the Selected Code in Editor blueprint. Notice the LLM's reply being seamlessly inserted in the current editor. When finished, DVT's incremental compilation automatically validates the changes. Alongside predefined blueprints, you can create custom ones to be reused and shared across the team. Let's take this Create Virtual Interface chat conversation for example. The user request instructs the LLM to generate a virtual interface for a given module, instantiate the interface and connect it to the DUT, and set its reference in the UVM config DB. To save this initial request as a blueprint, use the Save Messages Blueprint button. To reuse the prompt, place the cursor within a module, run DVT AI Start New Session from Blueprint, and select it from the list. Once the LLM response is complete, you can easily place each block of code into its corresponding section of the project. Blueprints can also serve as baselines for future conversations. Take this chat conversation for example. The user request aims to provide relevant context on the design currently under development. To save the entire conversation as a blueprint, click Save Chat Session as Blueprint. Now, you can start a new session from the saved blueprint. Your next requests in this chat session, such as multiple module instantiations and auto-stitching, will benefit from the context given at the start of the conversation. Let's generate a schematic diagram to visualize and validate the semantics of the generated response. Custom blueprints that insert the LLM response into the editor can also be created. Let's take a look at this Create UVM Register chat conversation. It instructs the LLM to generate the UVM register from the IPexec specification selected in the editor. By the way, you might find out that some models do better at specific types of tasks, so make sure to select the best one. Next, click Save Messages Blueprint and adjust its parameters. Then, select the IPExec direct description and start a new session from the saved blueprint. Of course, DVT incremental compilation will assist in identifying and resolving any potential code errors in the LLM response.